year's AI has a very lengthy syllabus, and trust me, the most confusing part about this are the definitions. In this video, I will explain all the important terms related to AI, especially for the second chapter of AI, under 10 minutes. There will be some topics left, I will cover them in the next video, but all the terms, all the terminologies, they will be covered in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because I will upload more crazy content. So let's get started. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. The meaning is even simpler. Giving machines the ability to think. You can read, write, make drawings because you are intelligent enough. So giving machines, which are non-living things of course, the ability to do all of these things is AI. Artificial intelligence comes in two categories, rule-based and learning-based. Well, I personally hate rule-based, and here's why. Because it does not have any brain of itself. You just have to feed it rules. How does this work then? It's simple. You are the developer and you make the rules. If I make a machine which detects fruits and I tell the machine, hey, if you see the red color, it's an apple, and if you see the yellow color, it's a banana, it will do the same. I show it the apple, it says apple. I show the banana, it says banana. Why? Because it saw the red color and yellow color. But that's the only problem, because it saw the colors. It did not think of any other feature like shape, weight, texture. So if I show it a yellow marker, it will say banana, because that's the only thing it can think about, colors. It did not think anything else. It only followed my rules because I set the threshold as colors. I did not care about the weight or texture, so not the machine. Well, learning based is another category, and I personally like this category. Why? Because it will see the other factors. It will see the weight, texture. So if I show it this marker, it will not say banana. Why? Because although it will see the yellow color and find similarities, but it will also see the shape, the texture, and the size. Well, learning based is the most important category, and this comes in few more categories. Well, the first important subset of learning is machine learning. Machine learning is simple. When we are feeding the machines with data and making them understand and find conclusions and algorithms from that data. It's simple. If I teach a child that this is an apple and this is a banana, so the next time when the child sees the fruits, it will say accordingly. I taught the child and it analyzed all the features. So next time when it sees it, it will understand that okay, I saw this somewhere, oh, this is a banana. So feeding data to the machine so that they make their own algorithms. This is machine learning. Now, machine learning also comes with deep learning. Deep learning is another advanced version of machine learning, but it is mostly related to computer vision. All the smart AI vision, camera, etc. These have deep learning. But let's talk about deep learning in some other video. Let's focus on machine learning this time. Machine learning has three subtypes: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised, you are giving labels to data. So if I take an apple and I take a banana, I label it as apple and I label it as banana. So let's take an example. If I have a dry waste bin and a wet waste bin, I have labeled both the bins as dry and wet. And I know which waste goes in which bin. So I throw the waste according to the labels which are set. So this is supervised learning. Now, supervised learning has two categories: classification and regression. In classification, the object or the data is classified into categories. Like I classified dry waste as dry and wet waste as wet. I already gave the labeling to them, so I will put it in the right category. This is classification. In regression, I am not putting anything in any category. Rather than that, I am calculating the constant values like weight, measurement, height, etc. And this is related to dealing with continuous values. This is regression. Now the second category is unsupervised. In unsupervised, the bins are not labeled. Nothing is dry, nothing is wet. It's just two bins, no label shit is there. So I have to identify myself which waste goes in which one and how to segregate both the waste without knowing anything. So this is unsupervised learning. This has two categories: clustering and association. See, if I have waste and I have to segregate them into two categories without knowing anything about segregation, here's how I would do that. I would make similarities. Is this biodegradable? Is this toxic for the environment? So if there is something biodegradable, I will make one group, and if there is something toxic which is not soluble in soil, I will make another category. So I analyze the features myself and I made the categories myself. This is cluster. In association, I will associate things with each other. For example, you are an AI and you have to analyze people's shopping carts. One person buys bread, butter and milk. The other buys bread, apple and butter. So let's see how to make associations. So, milk and apple, there is no similarity. Both the people are buying bread. But what is there which everyone is buying with the bread? Is it milk? No, because the other person did not buy milk. But there is another thing, butter, which both the people bought. So, both the people bought butter, both the people bought bread. So that's how a relationship was formed, that whoever is buying butter will always buy bread. This is association. Now, last category is reinforcement learning. It is simple. It works on a system of rewarding and punishments. That's how it works. It's like a quiz. You answer correct and then you get correct prizes. But if you answer wrong, you don't get prizes. Rather than that, you lose marks. That's how we train the AI. We give it some questions. If it answers right, we motivate the AI by rewarding it, by telling it that this is the correct answer. It gets more motivated and works towards the right solution. If it is wrong, we tell them that it is wrong, and then it will not make similar mistakes. It learns from its mistakes and improves just like us humans do. This was reinforcement learning. Now with that, we have finished all the subtypes of AI, ML, supervised, unsupervised learning. So your second chapter is almost complete. All of this under 10 minutes. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe this channel because I will upload more crazy content, and comment below what type of content you want next. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Stay tuned. Goodbye.